If your eyes are off, your lead doesn't matter. Your stance can look perfect, your grip can feel solid, your gun can be set up just right. So why are you still missing shots? Here's the truth. Most shooters never hear. Bad aim is rarely a gun problem. It's not even a hand problem. Most of the time it's an eye problem. And the shocking part, most shooters are looking at the wrong thing when they pull the trigger. By the end of this video, you'll understand one hidden skill that can instantly improve your aim without changing your gun, your stance, or your trigger pull. Most shooters believe accuracy comes from mechanics, perfect stance, perfect grip, perfect trigger control. And yes, those things matter. But if your eyes aren't doing the right job, all that technique falls apart, especially under pressure. Because aim doesn't start in your hands, aim starts in your eyes. Here's the most common mistake I see. Shooters stare at the gun, they lock on to the front sight, they overthink alignment, but your body doesn't shoot where the gun is, your body shoots where your eyes are focused. If your eyes are confused, your hands will be confused too. Here's the rule that changes everything. Always focus on the target, not the gun. Your gun's job is to fire. Your hand's job is to support. Your eye's job is to guide the shot. When your eyes stay locked on the target, your brain automatically handles distance, speed, movement, and timing. No math, no guessing. When eye focus is correct, your brain predicts movement naturally. Your hands adjust without conscious thought. The shot breaks smoothly. This is called natural pointing. Elite shooters don't calculate lead. They don't consciously aim every shot. They see the target clearly and let the body do the rest. Watch the difference. A beginner shooter stares at the gun, overthinks, and hesitates. A skilled shooter keeps eyes on the target, stays relaxed, and the shot feels automatic. Same gun, same target, different eye focus. You can test this right now, no gun needed. Point your finger like a pistol. Pick a small object in the room, lock your eyes on it. Now point without thinking. You'll notice your finger naturally lines up with the target. No calculation required. That's the same system your body uses when your eyes are focused correctly. Under pressure, aim often falls apart. Eyes tighten, vision narrows, focus shifts back to the gun. That's why shooters miss easy shots in competition or stressful moments. The fix is simple. Soft eyes, hard focus on the target. Relaxed vision leads to faster, more accurate shooting. Here's a simple pro tip. Before every shot, spend 1 full second clearly seeing the target. Feel the gun, don't stare at it. That single second can transform your accuracy. So if your aim feels inconsistent, ask yourself one question. What am I actually looking at? Because guns don't aim, hands don't aim, eyes aim. Master eye focus, and your shooting becomes smoother, faster, and more confident. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button and subscribe for more shooting tips. If you have a question or want a specific topic covered next, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching and good luck on the range.